Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a moon landing rocket in Spaceflight Simulator. First, begin your design with a powerful main engine, like the Titan, for achieving Earth orbit. Connect a large fuel tank, such as the Mammoth, directly above it to provide ample fuel for the initial ascent. Next, add a second stage featuring a smaller, more efficient engine, like the Valiant, for the crucial transfer burn to the moon. Finally, integrate your lander module, complete with sturdy landing legs and a small, precise engine for a soft lunar touchdown. Once your rocket is built, launch it into a stable low Earth orbit, ideally around 100 kilometers above the surface. From this point, perform a precise translunar injection burn, accelerating your craft to escape Earth's gravitational pull. This burn will set you on an elliptical trajectory, carefully aiming to intersect the moon's orbital path. As you approach the moon, execute a lunar orbit insertion burn to slow down and capture into a stable, circular orbit around our celestial neighbor. With your craft in lunar orbit, it's time for the descent. Initiate a deorbit burn to begin your controlled fall towards the moon's surface. Orient your lander so its engine faces directly downwards, allowing for a precise braking burn. As you approach, gradually reduce your speed, aiming for a vertical velocity of about 5 meters per second just before touchdown. Remember to deploy your landing legs well in advance, ensuring a soft and stable landing on the dusty lunar terrain. After a successful lunar mission, it's time to return home. Launch your lander from the moon's surface, achieving a stable low lunar orbit. From there, execute a trans-Earth injection burn, accelerating away from the moon's gravity and setting a course back towards our home planet. As you approach Earth, carefully aim for an atmospheric re-entry trajectory. Finally, deploy your parachutes at the appropriate altitude for a safe and gentle splashdown in the ocean or a controlled land recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.